Morning everybody, Gator with E-Cells e-bikes. We're going to do the front wheel installation of a dual KINGSTAR. One thing to note on the dual KINGSTAR, when you're removing your protective wheel cap from shipping, make sure that this little cover piece stays on the bike. It does have a habit of sometimes wanting to stay on the protective cap. So if you remove the cap and you're seeing silver, make sure to pull your piece off the cap and just push it right back on. Now on to the main video.
I have the bike upside down on the rack to make my life easier. We remove the protective axle cover with a T40. We loosen one side and remove the cap from the other side. This is a number 4 Allen. You don't have to fully remove these clamp bolts, but you do have to back them off so that it releases. With all 4 front clamp bolts loosened, I'm just very simply going to use my T40, drive the axle out, and I like to loosen the non-brake side because it's going to make it a little bit easier for you to put this back together by putting the brake in first. Remove your brake pad spacer, and as you put the wheel in, the only thing special is making sure that you're lining up with the brake pads. I'm going to let the fender kind of hold the wheel for me a little bit. Now I just align the axle, and I'm going to use a rubber mallet. Gently tap the axle through. Just make sure you line up with your secondary side. Finish driving your axle all the way through. With my T40, I will retighten the axle caps on. I like to tighten the axle caps before I retighten these. That way it actually allows the axle to move one side or the other if need be. My T40 axle cap bolts are back on. Tighten our 4 fork clamp screws, and that would be how to put the front wheel on and the axle. We hope this video was informative and helpful. As always, wear your helmet. Keep the questions coming. We'll bring the answers.